Okay, so this is how you do pancakes. First you get peas, pour some in, you have to put water, mix it, so go like this, keep on mixing it until it gets not that stuffy, but like not that like hard either. So after you get this ready, so as you see, I already have one pancake here. So when you're done doing this, put this, I have plates right here. Oh my gosh, it's hard to get it in. After it's ready, put in the rest. So the ingredients are butter. This is how to make simple pancakes. This is butter. First, you have to pour some butter in to the frying pan. I do it with this, like, other spoons won't get dirty, so not a lot and not too little, like this. Put this over here. You have to do it real fast, or else like it won't stick to the pancake. Like this. This one came out little, but it's okay. When this one it's cooking, you still have to mix this one, so like the other ones probably will come better than this one. Like this. So, like, you know how like it's starting to get bubbly, the pancake? So like when it's really bubbly, you can like turn the pancake over. Right now, starting. So this is the butter, or you can do pancake butter. And it's better if you do water, like purified water, to the pancake, like not from the sink or like that. It's gonna get nasty. So it's not gonna be as good as the one that I'm making. So right now, first we have to wait, you know. It started to get bubbly, so now you have to turn it over. And that's how it's like that. I turned it over. So, you know, get this out. It's not like, it doesn't take too long to do the pancakes, but like, also you have to be patient with them. Like, mine is almost gone, so, you know, I think this will only last like one pancake left. And also you have to mix, the pancake in here, you have to mix them, like, the simple way to do pancakes is, just put, water. This one is with water, so all you have to do with this one is put water and put the, the mixed pancake, put it in here, mix it until like it's really not that like hard like this. I think this will only last like one pancake left, so and I think this one is ready. I think it is ready. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready. It's hard though. There's a trick like that. It was like, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's ready. Put it in here. Look how many pancakes. So, I think this one's gonna be our last pancake because we only have a little bit left. So, take the butter again. And you only take a little bit, not that little, but yeah. Like this. So, if you don't like butter, you can also do with oil, but it's better with butter. So, if you don't have any butter left, you could do with oil. This kind of oil. The 1, 2, 3. But I'm not doing it because I'm doing with butter because it's better. So, put this over here. Put it like that. So, it's all gone now. See? Put it right here. my hands. But yeah. These are the pancakes. Also, you can do like syrup in it, pure honey, and butter. Like, like put butter on top of them. So, put this away. And put this one away, but also you could put like butter in it, like in your pancakes with syrup. It's like good like that, but if you don't like that much butter, it's fine. Put it back in. So here's the other one. This is the last one, and I hope it comes out good. It came good. It came out good. After this one, I think we're all done. So, as I told you, you can put butter in it, syrup, pure honey, like this one, pure honey. And if you have any no butter, also you could put this on. You could put different type of things if you like. You could put this on. If you don't like it, you put it in, you know. So it's good like that, so. Yeah, I think it's done. I think it's done. It came out white, but yeah. I don't like my pancakes burned, so mine just comes out like that because I don't like it burned. And like this. And make sure that for the heat of the pancake, it's like medium. It's a medium, so like 5. So 5 because it says medium on 5. You have to put it on 5 because then if you do it on 5, if you do it on 7, it'll get burned. If you do it on 3 or 2, it won't get like cooked well. So I think you have to do a medium 5. So now we have to turn it off. Turn it off. Get this out of the way. And I think we're all done. We're all done. So make sure to thumbs up or subscribe to the, to subscribe of making simple pancakes. So thumbs up. Bye.